Hey there! In this video, we're taking a closer look at Shopify's native color swatches. Swatches are a common feature on product pages, especially for products with multiple colors, textures, or patterns. And with Shopify's product taxonomy and category meta fields, swatches are now supported natively in many modern themes. No app required. They're more than just a visual upgrade. Swatches help customers browse options more easily, make quicker decisions, and feel more confident about what they're purchasing. That can lead to higher conversions, fewer returns, and a smoother shopping experience overall. If you're not using swatches yet, and your theme supports them, this is a small improvement that can make a noticeable difference. Let's get into it. Now, when it comes to setting them up, you've got two options. You can use Shopify's native swatches or go with a third-party app. Native swatches are free, built into your admin, and tied directly to product categories and meta fields. They're quick to set up and work out of the box with most modern themes like Dawn. Meanwhile, apps give you more design flexibility and additional features, but they often come with monthly costs, extra setup, and sometimes code maintenance if your theme updates. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on the native approach, since it covers what most merchants need. So here's how to set it up. In your Shopify admin, go to Products and open a product or create a new one. As an example, I'll create a ceramic mug product that comes in glossy white, matte black, and speckled sand. As you can see, after I uploaded product images, a category is automatically added. You can change this, but since it's accurate, I'm going to keep this one. This unlocks relevant meta fields, including color. You can either click here or scroll down to category meta fields. Add the colors available for your product. You can also click on the colors to edit them further. Now, for the mug, I have a color that isn't in the options, so I'll click on Add New Entry. This will open up an editor. First, I'll set the label to speckled sand. Next, I'll upload a swatch image. In this case, a close-up of the ceramic texture so customers can see the finish. Then, under base color, I'll choose something like beige to help Shopify group this swatch with similar shades. For base pattern, I'll select something like dots or other, since this variant isn't just a flat color. Now that everything looks good, I'll go ahead and click Save. Repeat this for the other variants. Use a flat color code for solid colors like glossy white, or an image for textured ones like matte charcoal. Now go to the variant section. When you add a color option, it will automatically pull in the swatches you just added. After adding all the variants, make sure each of them has the correct image linked to it. Once you're done, don't forget to save your changes. And now that you've added your color variants, let's make sure they actually show up as swatches on the product page. Go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize on your active theme. Open a product that has the color variants you just set up. In the theme editor, look for the variant picker block, which is usually inside the product information section. If your theme supports swatches, you'll see options to change the display, like circle, square, or none. Pick the shape that works best for your design, then click Save. Now, when you view the product page, your swatches should appear as clickable visual options, pulling either from the color or image you set up. And that's it. You've just set up native swatches using Shopify's built-in tools. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to improve your store.